So there is a new booming coin in the market and it's seeing huge numbers in the recent times. And in this video we're going to be talking about JasmyCoin. That's been booming a lot recently and it's currently in the trending, seeing crazy numbers, seeing huge growth in the past, and we'll just be talking about what's happening with that coin, what we can expect in the upcoming times for that coin. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. And let me change this scene real quick. So now we are on coinmarket.com as usual, and if you just look up Jasmy, you can see it is on the top and it is currently on number 98 for all cryptocurrencies. So if we just take a look at what's happening right now with Jasmy, we can probably even see it trending in the past 7 days. Yes, it is the most moved coin in the past 24 hours and also in the past 7 days. So crazy numbers it is seeing right now. So let's just take a look at what's happening with this coin right now. So it's currently its current price is 1.5 cents, so 0.1499, and it is up by a crazy 36.25% from yesterday. So that is a crazy number to be up around, because just these percents matter a lot. If we talk about the market cap, we can see $738 million, up around also almost the same amount. Our volume in the past 24 hours is 1.2 billion. So when the volume is more than the market cap, you can automatically tell that it is a trending cryptocurrency. It's seeing a lot of volatility, a lot of movement in the up and down, and that is why there's more volume than there is market cap. So some people have taken profits, as we can visibly see that we are a little far from our highest point, and we did go even lower. So some people have taken their profits. That is why the volume might be higher than the current market cap right now. So if we take a look at the current chart of the 1-day chart, we can see that just 24 hours ago we were at 0.01105. so we were moving pretty stable in the first couple hours, just up and down here and there. And then around early morning, let's say around 6 a.m. is where it started to pick up pace, and we did start going all the way up to around our highest number. So we rallied from around 0.011 all the way up to 0.016. So that's what our highest point is around for today, is 0.1625, and we did go a long way from here to the highest point. We did have a quick dump right after that, so we did come back around to around 0.133, but then we are making our way back to the higher prices, and we are still moving fairly decent. We were I would assume we were more than 50% up in that time frame, but at the current time we are up 36%. And now if we take a look at the 7-day chart, we can see we are up by a crazy 146%. So this number is very, very huge, because this means 2.5x of the current of the original investment. Let's say if you invested $1,000, this would be around 2.5 grand right now. So crazy movement it's seeing right now. The price 7 days ago was 0.006, and it just was pretty flat. We can see barely any movement in the first couple days, but the 19th is where it started to pick up pace. We did start our bull rally, we did start climbing, and as we climbed we did slow down a bit here, and then we saw what we are seeing right now, our crazy new high numbers that we are hitting in JasmyCoin right now. So that is a lot to see in JasmyCoin. The fundamentals are really strong, looking really strong right now. It is on a lot of popular exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase. So that is where most of the volume is coming from. Binance is one of the biggest volumes for JasmyCoin right now, and the confidence seems to be high. So there's a lot going on with this coin right now. A lot of trending news about happening this, why Jasmine is funding. Let's take a look at this, why JasmyCoin is surging. So this is an article from Crypto News, and we can see introduction to JasmyCoin. We can see these are the CEOs, but there is a lot of demand and supply. You can go through this article. I will most likely leave a link down below. This explains what's happening with JasmyCoin. The tokenomics are looking really strong. It explains the partners, CEX listing, technology, and overall tokenomics with a one page. And there is a lot to go through our JasmyCoin right here. So if you do want this, you could go check out this article to learn more about the back end and the fundamentals of this coin. So just to keep you guys updated if this is a strong coin or this is just a hype coin and it will die shortly after. So to find that out, you could go over this, and that was about it. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about JasmyCoin, and JasmyCoin is pumping like crazy in the past times. We are currently up around, I would say, 36% and up around 146% in the past 7 days. So crazy numbers JasmyCoin is seeing. We are going to talk about what's most likely happening in the future of this, so we will possibly create a video on that, so do check that out too. And if you are new to this channel, I do daily crypto live streams on this channel talking about what has happened in the recent market. And if you are one of those people who just like to leave charts on your screen, I have a 24/7 running live streams on this channel with the Bitcoin and Ethereum chart, talking about what their current price is on the 5-minute chart, and they also include a buy and sell signal. So do make sure to check that out live stream. And I also create long form content like this, keeping you guys updated on new cryptocurrencies that are pumping, any patterns we are seeing in cryptocurrencies. So do make sure to check these out also. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.